everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to share with you today my favorite dish scrub brush with a handle. This is the Full Circle Be Good Kitchen Dish Brush. I usually use a sponge or scrubby to do my dishes, but sometimes when you're doing pots and pans, you need a little bit of extra leverage to get that stuff off. One of my favorite parts about this dish brush is that it's made from recycled material so that it's very helpful for the environment. Another cool feature it has is that it's got this little hole here in the handle. So when you're done with your dishes, you can hang it to dry and you don't have to worry about it drying properly if you have to lay it down or prop it up. As you can see, the bristles are nice and tough, but not too tough. So they're not going to scratch your pans, especially if you have those non-stick coated ones or anything that is easy to scratch. I love how perfect this is for cleaning my pots and pans, and also that it's made from recycled materials. And that's my point of view.